Imagine a breathtaking cosmic symphony where stars, planets, and moon perform in perfect harmony across the vast expanse of space. Within this grand celestial orchestra, one section has long captivated the curiosity of astronomers: exoplanets. These distant worlds lie beyond our solar system, scattered like hidden gems throughout the Milky Way. Among the staggering array of exoplanets, one stands out, so eerily similar to Earth that it could be our planetary twin. Welcome to the enigmatic world of Proxima B, an exoplanet located just 4.2 light-years from Earth. Thanks to the revolutionary capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope JWST, our search for and understanding of these alien worlds is entering a bold new era. Now, imagine your thoughts drifting through the unfathomable reaches of the Milky Way, a galaxy teeming with over 250 exoplanets. That's a 1 followed by 15 zeros. To grasp that scale, picture each exoplanet as a grain of sand. Not only could you fill the Grand Canyon, but you'd have enough to scope an entirely new wonder. Grand Canyon 2.0, stretching over 4 meters deep, made purely of sand-sized planets. What's even more astounding is that about 20% of these exoplanets may be Earth-like, sharing similar atmospheres and geological features. That means 1 in every 5 could potentially resemble our own blue planet. But the intrigue doesn't end there. Surrounding these exoplanets may be another 250 moons, rocky companions that orbit their planets just as our moon does, caught in gravitational dances across the cosmos. If you've ever dreamed of discovering another world that could support life, the universe is rich with possibilities. And leading this cosmic investigation is the James Webb Space Telescope. Our master artist and interstellar detective, armed with a 6.5-meter gold-coated mirror, 2.7 times larger than Hubble's, JWST can spot the faintest glimmers of starlight from billions of light-years away. But this telescope doesn't just observe, it analyzes. Using cutting-edge infrared sensors and spectrographs, it deciphers a fingerprint of light to determine a planet's atmosphere, composition, density, and even potential for life. Think of it as a space-based forensic lab, capable of detecting water, organic molecules, and oxygen, all from light-years away. JWST isn't merely an upgrade from Hubble. It's a quantum leap forward in our ability to explore the universe. Among the stars JWST is helping us investigate, one shines especially bright in the minds of researchers: Proxima B. Discovered in 2016, Proxima B quickly became the centerpiece of an interstellar mystery. Why? Because it resides in our cosmic backyard, a mere 4.2 light-years away. To put that in perspective, traveling at the speed of light, you could reach it in just over 4 years, the same length as a presidential term or the time it takes for your favorite TV show to become outdated. In a universe spanning 93 billion light-years, finding a potentially habitable planet so close to us is like discovering a diamond buried in a mountain of stone. And what a diamond it might be! Proxima B doesn't just intrigue scientists with its proximity. It's also located in the habitable zone of its star. That means the conditions there could be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist. Imagine for a moment waterfalls cascading down alien cliffs, oceans lapping at distant shores, and perhaps even signs of life evolving under a different sun. Down sheer cliffs, across vast rivers winding through alien terrain, and into oceans as enigmatic and deep as Earth's own Mariana Trench. Proxima B invites the imagination to run wild. But before we start fantasizing about exotic vacations on this distant exoplanet, there are a few peculiarities worth considering. For one, a single day on Proxima B lasts an astonishing 11 Earth days. Imagine sunrises that stretch on for hours, slowly unveiling a new day, followed by golden sunsets that linger like a dream, a photographer's paradise. While this might sound like a surreal utopia, it raises fascinating questions about climate and habitability. Could our biological clocks adapt to such an extended light-dark cycle? Would our eating habits need to change? Would we sleep the same way? Life on Proxima B can feel both strangely familiar and profoundly alien. Nature, it seems, has handed us a riddle wrapped in mystery. Could life, or even civilization, exist there in a form reminiscent of our own? It's a question that challenges everything we think we know about what makes a planet livable. But how do we even begin to understand a world we've never set foot on? Enter the James Webb Space Telescope. Not just an eye in the sky, but a full-fledged laboratory orbiting in space. Thanks to its cutting-edge technology, scientists can now do more than simply observe exoplanets. They can study them, using powerful infrared sensors and spectrographs. The telescope analyzes the light these distant worlds emit or reflect. By decoding the wavelengths absorbed or released by different atmospheric elements, researchers can perform what's essentially a remote biopsy of a planet. Through this process, they can estimate atmospheric pressure, density, and even detect life-supporting elements like water, organic molecules, and oxygen. The James Webb Telescope is not just a passive observer. It's a scientific powerhouse, capable of turning our cosmic speculations into measurable truths. It has forever expanded our understanding of the universe. Then, just when we thought we were beginning to grasp the cosmos, something extraordinary happened. Astronomers detected a strange and complex signal from the direction of Proxima B, an electromagnetic emission unlike anything observed before. Intricate and patterned, it swept through the scientific community and social media alike, igniting wild speculation about possible extraterrestrial intelligence. For a fleeting moment, the world held its breath, caught in the thrill of the unknown. But just as mysteriously as it appeared, the signal vanished, leaving behind nothing but silence, curiosity, and a flood of unanswered questions. Was it a mere cosmic hiccup, a glitch in space-time, or could it have been a message, coded or accidental, from an ancient or advanced civilization? This lone transmission transformed Proxima B from an intriguing candidate for life into the epicenter of cosmic intrigue. Could this be the beginning of a far grander narrative, one that connects us to a galactic community we've only dared to imagine? Though the answers remain elusive, the mystery only deepens our resolve. It stirs not only scientific curiosity, but something deeply human, the yearning to connect, to understand, to reach beyond ourselves. And the story is far from over. Pushing the boundaries even further, visionary scientists are now reimagining the James Webb Telescope not just as a research tool, but as a kind of galactic night vision. Their mission: to scan exoplanets not only for signs of biological life, but for artificial light. Yes, streetlights, glowing cities, or entire metropolises shining on a distant world's night side. The mere idea is staggering. A civilization illuminating its world with the unmistakable glow of technology, artificial luminescence piercing the cosmic dark, a skyline on a far-off planet, radiating its existence across the stars. It may sound like science fiction, but it's rapidly becoming science fact. What was once science fiction is rapidly becoming science fact. Such a discovery would be nothing short of historic. Detecting artificial lighting in the cosmos wouldn't just confirm the existence of intelligent life. It would suggest that life itself is a cosmic pattern, not a rare exception. It would hint at an interconnected universe, where existence repeats like a refrain across the stars. And what would that mean for us? In a single breathtaking instant, our understanding of philosophy, religion, politics, and science would be transformed. We would no longer be the solitary children of Earth, but members of a vast, perhaps ancient galactic family. It will raise questions deeper than any we've ever dared to ask. How we communicate, what can we learn from them, and how do we define us once we know there is also them? Yet for now, we remain on the edge of discovery. The James Webb Space Telescope continues its silent vigil, peering deeper into the cosmos, studying atmospheres, revealing hidden star systems, and decoding the long-held secrets of the universe. Every spectrum analyzed, every light curve examined, brings us closer to answering the greatest questions of all. Are we alone? What else is out there? And could we one day call another world home? This is more than exploration. It's revelation. As we stand on the threshold of an extraordinary era, let us remember, the universe is not just vast. It is alive with mysteries, waiting to be understood. And with the James Webb Space Telescope lighting our path, we are not merely observing the stars. We are discovering our future, one signal, one story, one world at a time.